Have you ever wondered how a coffee shop stays quiet while the street outside bustles with noise? The answer is oftentimes acoustic panels, which are made of mineral wool or foam. They work by absorbing the sound waves to reduce general noise, clarify speech, and limit reverberation. There are 3 types of acoustic panels which have different uses. The first, art acoustic panels, allows you to soundproof a room and make it look stylish at the same time. They're made with the same sound deadening and sound absorption materials, and they are completely custom and made to order. We guarantee the longevity of each art acoustic panel because they are fade resistant for up to 25 years. They look great in homes, offices, conference rooms, restaurants, and many other venue types. The second is Fabric Wrapped Acoustic Panels, which are handmade right here in South Central Pennsylvania using recycled materials. All Udderly Quiet Acoustic Panels have a flammability rating of Class A and will pass stringent building code requirements for exposed materials. They work well to control a restaurant, office, and the acoustics for many other venues. The last type of acoustic panels is perforated wood panels, designed to reduce noise levels projected by speakers, musicians, and other sound events. Perforated wood panels also decrease sound reverberation within a building, so sound does not disturb adjoining rooms in the same building. Since they are suspended from ceilings to further reduce noise levels and echoing, they are an ideal choice for restaurants, auditoriums, entertainment facilities, and many other venues. Acoustic panels have many uses. Here are the most popular venue types that purchase our acoustic panels. The first, restaurants. Did you know that sound impacts how diners view their food? Biomed Central's study ranked noise as the second most common complaint among diners. The study showed excess noise affects the way a diner perceives a meal's aroma, lessens their ability to discern sweet foods, and decreases their enjoyment of the food's taste. Secondly, office buildings. Office soundproofing enables you to provide a better work environment for employees by decreasing noise distractions, leading to increased employee productivity and efficiency. It also allows you to keep conference rooms and other areas private to safeguard confidential business information. Third, music venues. By soundproofing your music room, concert hall, or recording studio, you can build your music skill set, practice playing music without disturbing others, and produce the highest quality sound possible. If you are considering adding acoustic panels to your venue, ask yourself the following questions. What type of acoustic panel do you need? If you're looking to stop noise from moving from one space to the next, soundproofing products are ideal. Or if you need acoustic products to prevent sound from entering or exiting a room, sound-absorbing products offer long-lasting value. What or where are you trying to soundproof? Determine exactly what or where you need to soundproof. This will allow you to assess the space or room and plan accordingly. Or if you're trying to minimize equipment noise, determine which types of equipment you need to soundproof. How can you install acoustic panels? One of the benefits of acoustic panels is they are easy and fast to install, especially if you begin the process by talking with one of our acoustic consultants. Our consultants will offer acoustic panel recommendations based on the application and outline each step of the installation process to ensure you can make an informed decision. Start making your world a clear, less noise-cluttered place by calling our team of acoustic experts today at 1-866-949-9269 or emailing sales@soundproofcow.com.